Hello my paper crafters, welcome to this month's edition of Paper and Joy, the craft edition, where we are doing a floral craft. Now at the time of filming, it is the end of the year. We were looking to a new year shortly, and so I thought what we might do is make a little to-do list. So it has the floral theme on it. We have some lovely floral paper up the top with a nice sort of heading, and there's a variety of headings that we can choose from in the packs, and like a daily to-do list. So you've got the goal up the top where you can, whether that be a financial goal, personal goal, business goal, write that on a daily basis, and then pick your top 3 things that you really want to get done today. And then at the bottom section you've got a next section. If you finish your top 3 things, if you're working nice and efficiently, then you can move on to your next set of tasks. So hopefully that's a useful little craft for you to make. It comes with a whiteboard marker, so I've given you guys one. Let's go and see what is in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get your base piece for your to-do list, a little pre-finished pen whiteboard marker holder, and your whiteboard. Now I've got a different texture than you guys have because I didn't have enough for myself, so that's just my sample one for here. So you got your little texture holder, some headings for your to-do list of whatever you think might stand out for you, a floral piece of paper that we're going to put the heading on, and also your wipeable piece to-do list. So all right, you will also need a glue stick and a piece of scrap paper for some gluing. All right, let's get crafting. So the first thing we're going to do is get our floral base piece and our heading title of the list, and we're going to stick those together. So choose which one speaks to you the most, whether, yes, I've got your to-do list, your daily list, make it happen, action list. I might go make it happen, and then we're going to stick that onto the floral base. So on your gluing scrap piece of paper, so you don't get your furniture messy, pop a nice bit of glue on. And if you're doing it in the summer like I am, your glue may dry very quickly, so be wary of that. You may have to work a bit faster and may have to reapply. Alright, eyeball that, and that's not quite straight. There we go. Okay, we have our heading. And now we're going to grab the baseboard and sort of all the pieces, because we're going to lay it out now. So heading goes at the top, our to-do list, wipeable to-do list goes there, and then our texture and texture holder is on the side there. Okay, so then we can glue again, put everything in place now that we can see that. So just grab our piece of paper again and glue that. If you do have double-sided tape handy, you can also use that for this project instead of gluing this piece, which may be easier in the warm weather. But because it's drying so quickly. This bit's come up too. All right, there we go. Now, just reline up those. We're going to do the to-do list next, and this I've pre-prepared with some double-sided tape for you because the glue stick won't stick to that. So you can now peel off the little backing pieces off the tape. You can see the tape. And we can stick that down. Okay, so I'm just lining this up sort of with the floral piece. In terms of the left hand side there. We have room on the right hand side for your marker holder. Alright, so I've just sort of pre-glued the bottom piece there, so we just need to pop some glue on there, pop it in place, and if you can find a weight, like some sort of weighted thing, whatever you have handy, maybe a book or even your phone case, like pop your phone on there. So quite a bit of glue on, just to make sure that sticks. There we go. And then just something to hold that in place. I might just pop my phone there. There we go. Give that a few minutes. Okay, there we go. So it's dry now, and you can pop your texture in there and use your to-do list. So you've got your, as mentioned at the start of the video, your goals, so that whether that's a monetary goal, personal goal, business goal, whatever, something that you can always see that you're aiming for. A couple of things you definitely want to get done today, and then if you've got time, sort of a nice to do, nice to have done as well list. So once you've written on there, at the end of the day, you can tick off which ones you've done, scrub it, just need a tissue for the whiteboard when you're using a whiteboard marker, and then write your new list for the next day. And it is a good idea then to rewrite your goal so that you're writing it and it's more tangible if you've written it every day. Makes it a bit more active in your mind. All right, hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time.